Time for an unboxing.
Time for an unboxing.
Okay, so all of this stuff is from
Pokoloko, which you might have seen we have some stuff from, but super exciting. Okay.
So, it's not decor to start. First, we have some clothes, it looks like. So, the Crinkle pants in cream. Let me show you. Oh, yeah.
So cozy.
Oh,
and
yeah.
the Crinkle crop top.
It's a
We're
set.
going to be fighting over that.
I know.
So much.
We love a matching set.
But it gets better. Crinkle cardigan. We're going to be fighting over this.
Oh, yeah.
How cozy is this
And
outfit?
it has a little tie.
So cozy.
So cozy. And it's all in cream.
Yes.
Then, let's see. I've wanted a bag like this
For
forever.
so long, we
Look at
wanted
the-
one of these. So pretty.
It's like a kind of a flower design on it.
So pretty. We'll link some of these.
Very pretty.
All right, what we're linking. And then these are a cover-up / cardigan. You can print
And a few home decor.
Home decor.
things.
So this, we actually have one in gray. You've probably seen it. But I'm super excited to have this one in our bedroom.
It's stripes. It's big, and this is like doubled over, and it has these really pretty tassels on the end.
Oh, it goes perfect in our bedroom.
It'll be so
I'm
good.
really excited. And last but not least,
Pillows. They
are
match.
pillows. So they're a little bit different in shades, you can see, but they go perfect with this throw, and again, perfect with our bedroom. So, okay, wait, I'm gonna set it up and then show you
Okay.
what it looks like.